Who's it? Where is Shifa and Nicola? They were supposed to be here with us for the show.
Oh, you know these girls. They are never punctual. They might be still getting dressed up. Forget them.
They just gave me a call and said they've already reached. Yeah, they come.
Amazing.
How sweet, Sahib.
Excuse me. Come, Ikra.
Please come.
Thank you.
Wow, Ikra, you look so pretty today. Thank you, Sahil.
Hi, friends. Sorry for being late. As we entered the gate, the prayer dance was going on, and we didn't want to disturb. Did you thank the prayer dance group?
No, we have not.
Fine, let me do it. We are God's children, and this was very evident through the prayer dance. Thank you, my friends, for doing so. A plethora of events, namely the patriotic singing competition, the carol singing competition, challenges the vocal ability of we Josephites.
And my dear friends, primary section is no exception to this. Just as any competitions needs judging, every program needs welcoming. So here they are, a band of singers from primary section who have been trained by adroit teachers of our extreme institution. Welcome you today. We are so happy and delighted to have you here.
It's incredible to hear such a melodious note from my dear friends. It was a joyful welcome. My dear parents, the theme of our annual day is education, blend of 3H, head, hand, and heart. Our school strives towards fullness that comprises various dimensions such as physical fitness, intellectual development, moral strength, spiritual growth, emotional balance, socio-cultural integration, and eco-friendliness. And to witness these features, we have in our midst today a very eminent and a dynamic personality. I request my friends Sarah and Mahira to come forward and introduce and felicitate our chief guest for the day.
All that has been, all that is, and all that will ever be is for God alone and for His glory. Kneel before God, you can stand before any man. Walk with God, and you will never walk alone.
A very good evening to one and all present here. On this memorable day, I feel honored and deeply elevated to say a word of warm welcome to the distinguished gathering for the annual day.
Words are rose petals that are sprinkled with fragrance to invite one and all with warm greetings. Not merely words, our heartfelt feelings filled with emotions add flavor to welcome you.
Attractiveness and magnetism of man's personality is the result of his inner radiance. And to soak us up in his radiance, we have in our midst the incandescent personality who is none other than the much loved Reverend Father Santo John.
We feel euphoric to welcome our chief guest, whose presence at this eventful occasion is fascinating for all of us.
Father, we are highly honored by your esteemed presence with us today. We are grateful to you for graciously and readily accepting our invitation.
A loving word of hearty welcome from the heart is the sweetest of all things in life.
A smile that radiates love to all people around and makes everyone happy. With heart full of love and happiness, we would like to garland you, dear Father, with sweet loving words of welcome.
Reverend Father Santo John is a well-known personality. He is a man of affection, humanitarian approach, dynamic, exemplary, and unique personality.
Father Santo John was first appointed as a principal of St. Joseph High School, Kulla in the year 1997. He served our school as a principal for 5 years.
And then from the year 2002 to 2014, Father was appointed as the headmaster of SFX High School, Siolim, Goa. In the year 2014, Father was promoted to the post of principal of SFX Higher Secondary School, Siolim, Goa.
Father, as an individual, is known for his honesty and credibility in life. He is passionate about sports. He is a voracious reader and he loves to spend his time with children.
Father, as a leader, your capacity to lead the young minds is beyond imagination. Your score of records, certificates of merits, and medals in various fields reveal your intellectual capacity.
Certainly, your presence amidst us today adds more joy and color to this evening festivity.
Indeed, it is a moment of God's blessings for all of us here. We extend a warm welcome to you, dear Father. May I request our beloved principal to honor our chief guest.
It is a great privilege to have our Mrs. Gracie Gonzalez with us today. Ma'am, in her busy schedule,
has kindly consented to be with us today.
I feel a dearth of words to express our gratitude to your support in our school activities. Ma'am, your presence at this annual day function doubles the joy for all of us. On behalf of St. Joseph High School, I extend a warm welcome to you, dear ma'am.
I feel honored to welcome our Reverend Father Principal to this wonderful gathering. He is an eminent person who always thinks about our school development. In his dynamic leadership, our school has stood for its discipline.
He is known for his power of influence to make things better and best. On behalf of this wonderful gathering, I extend a warm and a very cordial welcome to you, dear Father.
I also take this occasion to welcome our Reverend Sister Ashwini Antau, who leads and inspires the students to grow to be the young talented mind and also encourages them to be the best.
On behalf of St. Joseph High School and all of those who are present here, I extend a warm welcome to you, dear sister.
We also extend our greeting to Reverend Father Santan Gama, our parish priest, Reverend Father James Mascarenes, Reverend Father Nazareth de Salva, Reverend Father Daigo Fernandez, Reverend Father Daz Sebastian, Reverend Father Samuel Raya, Sister Mithil and Sister Vinita Joseph.
I thank you, dear fathers and ma'am and sister, for making your presence despite your busy schedule. And I wish you all a very pleasant evening.
I now request our SLS courts to honor our esteemed dignitaries. Your presence invite an enhancing significance and stimulating radiance.
Have a pleasant evening, dear friends.
Thank you, my friends, for doing the honors.
Hey Stefan, your coats look so great. Is it stitched?
Oh, thank you. I purchased it.
You liar! He's lying! This coat is mine!
Sahil, not again. Stefan, teacher Mercy wants you immediately. Please see, what is it?
Dear Reverend Father Santo John, I assure you will definitely express towards the end, saying, "Oh, my blessed Almighty, these children are really God-gifted blessings on earth, and also that words are few to exalt the spectacular performances of these wonderful Josephites."
Josephites
Josephite. I am proud to say I belong to the Josephite family. My teachers toiled very hard to bring out the best in us. We had the solo dance competition.
And on Teachers' Day, the Josephites displayed a mind-blowing performance of dances, and the art of dance gets cultivated from the time we join this institution. You don't believe me? Fine, then experience it yourself. The next item is put up by our tiny tots from the pre-primary section. So, 1, 2, 3, time for Boogie Vivace!